Hey guys, I'm Fabienne. Today we're going to talk about Loom, which there's only very few things you need to know about Loom. Um, but I have never done, there's a first for everything. I have never done a screen share while also trying to do a Loom. So let's try and figure this out together, shall we? All right, so I'm sharing my screen here. So I actually have Loom installed on my computer, so I can access it. I believe I can access it through my apps. Again, this is not normally, yep, there it is, Loom. I could access it through here. So let's actually go ahead and open this up. So obviously it's just gonna open the pop-up, which I also have the little tab up here to access it. So once you install, whether you're on a Mac or Windows, Loom is gonna install itself and you'll see the little circle somewhere where you can easily access it. And it does that so that when you're on a screen that you want to record, you can just click this and it's gonna pop up, right? So I have my Samsung, that's what I'm using currently. And then let's say I want to do my FaceTime camera, so it's gonna populate my little camera down here. I hope you guys can see all of this. Perfect, look, now I'm on two cameras. Oh, yeah, you see two okay, cool. So that's how I can do it. I want to share, you can choose if you want to share your full screen or a specific window. I'm just gonna do the full screen and then I'm gonna click start recording. Let's see if this actually works. I think it's working. It's gonna do a countdown timer. And now we are recording on both Zoom and Loom, which is really cool. So let's say I wanted to do, I usually use Loom. Loom gives you 5 minutes to do videos if you're on the free version of it. And you can do up to 25 videos and keep them in the storage area before you need to upgrade to a paid membership. So usually what I do is I do tutorial videos on Loom, especially if I need to share them with a client or walk them through an update or something along those lines is generally what I use Loom for. And then if I do an update for a client, after they've seen the update, you can pretty much delete that video and then you'll always have I rarely get up to 25 videos and it's usually only because I'm not keeping up with it and I'm not going through and deleting old videos, right? If you are using Loom to create like a database of tutorials or something like that, then you're gonna obviously want to keep those videos for a long time, which means you will need to upgrade the storage of Loom. The other thing, I think if you want to download a video, you need to be on an upgraded platform as well. So other than that, Loom is free, which is a really cool feature. Obviously, I'm not doing anything on my screen right now, but just moving my mouse a little bit. And then I am gonna go ahead and stop this so I can show you guys what happens. You should still see my screen at this point. So what happens once you stop a Loom is it automatically opens the Loom up in their cloud, which is essentially your Loom account, okay? And then here, watch, I'm gonna be quiet so you guys can see the actual video. Let's say I wanted to do, I usually use Loom. Loom gives you 5 minutes to do videos if you're on the free version of it. Okay, so you guys can kind of see here, I am on a paid version, so I can download this to my computer and then share it with the world. However, let's say you are not on the paid version, you can just copy this link and then send it to anyone that you want to send it to. And if they put that link back into their URL, then it's going to open this up and they're able to view the video. And that's really all that you have to know about Loom. It's super user-friendly. So I do want to show you guys where you can, oh, it actually also does summaries nowadays. It tells you the meeting minutes and all that good stuff, right? I do want to show you guys where I have all my other videos. So my library here on the left will show you all the videos. So I currently have 20 videos in this arsenal. I could go through and delete them as needed to kind of bring the storage down. You get 25 max, and then actually, you know what, now that I'm looking at it, I don't think I am on a paid version. Huh, let's find out, shall we? So anyways, I could go through and delete these at any point in time, but you also can look at your billing at any point in time, and it will tell you what plan you're, okay, I'm on a paid version. Looks like it renews on the 9th. There's different paid versions for it, so you can change and alter this as you want to. Again, I highly recommend you just use the free version and keep up with the 25 videos. No need to pay for Loom. It's not something that you necessarily need more space or need more features for. It's a really great software. That's all that there is to Loom. Thank you guys so much for watching, and comment any questions that you have below. I will get them answered for you. Please like and follow and share this video with anyone that you think would love to watch this. Have a wonderful day, guys.